Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add weather widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just tap on widgets and then scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you can see weather. Then just tap here and that's it. Now here you can see 5 kinds of weather widget, and you can add any weather widget on the home screen as you like. If you want to add this weather widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And it's done. You can see weather widget has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it and then go to settings option, from here you can customize your weather widget. If you want to add your current location on the weather widget, just tap here and then tap on the search icon and then search your current location, and that's it. Now just go back. You can also change your weather widget background from here. You can set white or black color as you want, and from here you can increase or decrease your background transparency, and you can set any level as you want. Then tap on save and it's done, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add weather widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.